Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of aldol condensation, today we will see aldol condensation in acidic medium and a few examples of simple, that is self-aldol condensation. In previous lecture we have seen aldol condensation in dilute basic medium. So today in acidic medium, if we compare reactivity of aldehydes and ketones, this is aldehyd, this is ketone. In case of aldehyd, carbonyl group is surrounded by one alkyl group, and in case of ketone, this carbonyl group is surrounded by two alkyl groups, alkyl group and electron donor. So here it is only one electron donor group is there in aldehyd, so it is less electron density around to this carbon. Here two electron donors are there, so it is more electron density. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ती है तो इसकी रिएक्टिविटी कम हो जाएगी. As electron deficiency of carbonyl group increases, reactivity also increases. Electron deficiency decreases, reactivity also decreases. And a reactivity is directly proportional to electron deficiency. Definitely in ketone electron deficiency of carbon कम हुई है. क्यों? Because here two electron donor groups are there. Accumulation of electron density around to this carbon of carbonyl, and a less reactive. So in less reactive ketones, this ketol condensation generally carried out in the presence of acidic medium because it is quite fast. It is quite faster than what? Dilute basic medium, as we have seen in case of what? Aldehyde. So here I have taken acetone for this condensation. You are well familiar with this word. What is condensation? Condensation and when small molecules like water and alcohol, lower alcohols, methyl alcohol like ethyl alcohol, etc., given out, that reaction is said to be condensation. What is the product here? So how to write product? See here, write down this acetone as it is without pi bond. So how to write product? So here CH3. Simply don't write pi bond, don't show pi bond here. Abstract one hydrogen from this carbon. It will be CH2. So attach this CH2 as it is. See, double bond O, CH3, and whatever hydrogen removed from this carbon, attach here. So this is alpha with respect to this ketone. This is a beta, and this is a beta hydroxy ketone. Beta hydroxy ketone. Isn't it? It is very easy to write the product. First ketone as it is. डिफरेंस क्या है? यहां पे कार्बन ऑक्सीजन में डबल बॉन्ड है, हमें खाली सिंगल बॉन्ड दिखाना है. CH3C CH3. See here, this is the part of first ketone. This is the part of first ketone. ठीक है. Now second ketone है. Here two alpha carbon atoms are there. Take any one alpha hydrogen. Both are symmetrically. यहां से abstract करो या यहां से abstract करो, one and the same. So it will be CH2. अगर यहां से एक हाइड्रोजन मैंने निकाला तो यहां पे CH2 होगा. So attach this CH2 here as it is. So here it will be CH2 C double bond O CH3. And जो हाइड्रोजन निकाला है वो यहां पे अटैच करो. So here it will be OH. So here it is a beta hydroxy ketone. Now how to write mechanism? इसका mechanism क्या है? Because here we have taken acidic medium. Mechanism of this mechanism. Step 1. Protonation of acetone. इसका protonation. See here, I will take first molecule of acetone for this. Oxygen has two lone pair of electrons always. Reversible but faster. Forward reaction is faster than backward. So here it is acidic medium. ये acidic H plus and acid. सो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज्यादा है, ऑक्सीजन हैज 2 लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सो डेफिनेटली ऑक्सीजन विल डोनेट पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू H+, यानी यहाँ H+ इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, सो इट विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज, सो ये नेगेटिव ये पॉजिटिव, इट विल बी न्यूट्रलाइज्ड, ऑक्सीजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर, सो वो एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यानी यहाँ पे क्या होगा CH3 प्रोटोनेटेड एसीटोन, ऑक्सीजन पे अभी पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ये प्रोटॉन, दिस इज प्रोटोनेटेड व्हाट ऑक्सीजन। नाउ दिस ऑक्सीजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट, क्योंकि यहां पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये ज्यादा समय इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट नहीं रह सकता, उसको बैकिंग चाहिए, सो यहां पे CH3 बोथ आर अल्फा, फॉर दिस CH3 I can write CH2 and one hydrogen separately like this. यहाँ पे acidic medium लिया मैंने H+. So at the end it should be released. See here, breaking of carbon hydrogen single bond and shifting here. अब यहाँ पे कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा, ठीक है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू पाई बॉन्ड, सो दिस कार्बन विल बी पेंटावैलेंट, यानी 1 2 3 4 and new bond 5, so breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this, यानी यहां पे ये H+ बाहर निकलेगा, H+ and here formation of yes enol, formation of enol, this is enol, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड यानी अल्किन, दैट इज व्हाई EN क्या इंडिकेट करता है, अल्किन इंडिकेट करता है, सो दिस EN इंडिकेट्स अल्किन, यहाँ पे कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है, एंड दिस OL इंडिकेट्स अल्कोहल, यानी हियर इट इज अल्कोहलिक OH, दिस इज इनॉल सिस्टम। नाउ इन स्टेप नंबर 2, अभी ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करेगा, यानी वी कैन टेक nucleophilic addition to another carbonyl compound, here it is acetone, I will take second acetone here, second molecule of acetone, see it carefully, it is very easy, I will write like this, I will show like this, so this is acetone, I will take enol, CH2 double bond COH and CH3, it is like this. Now how it works as a nucleophile, see here, shifting of this bond, breaking of this bond and shifting in between carbon and oxygen, अब ये H+ सेपरेट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा, ये ऑलरेडी सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज देयर, हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू पाई बॉन्ड, यानी दिस कार्बन विल बी पेंटावैलेंट, so breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this, and this carbon is negatively charged, yani it is a carbanion, yani here it is nucleophile, so attack up same nucleophile here, yani formation of new carbon carbon single bond in between these two carbon atoms, this carbon is pentavalent, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen, and this oxygen is negatively charged, H+ यहाँ पे separate हुआ है, so definitely this H+ will be the part of this, yani what is the product, CH3 a CH3OH, now this CH2 C double bond O CH3, what is this with respect to this ketonic group, this is alpha, this is a beta, and this is beta hydroxy ketone, this is beta hydroxy ketone, so this reaction we carried in the presence of acidic medium, here it is acid H+, so protonation of acetone, protonation of oxygen, here it is 2 lone pair of electrons are there, oxygen can donate 1 lone pair of electron to this, here oxygen is electron donor, so will acquire positive charge here, और हाइड्रोजन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज होगा, बिकॉज हियर H+ is going to accept pair of electron, so So here it will be negative charge. So negative, positive, it will be neutralized, isn't it? So here, now this oxygen is electron deficient. Valency of oxygen is 2. But here how many bonds are there? Total number of bonds 3. It is electron deficient. So here breaking of 1 alpha CH and shifting here. यानी यहाँ पे double bond बनेगा. So this carbon will be pentavalent. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. अब ये positive charge neutralize होगा because here oxygen electron gain कर रहा है. ये minus positive, ये minus plus क्या होगा? Neutralize. यहाँ पे अभी charge नहीं है. This is the enol. और enol works as a nucleophile. Here it is like this. In step number 2, in nucleophilic addition, this is nucleophile, a nucleophile. This is a nucleophile. Breaking of this oxygen hydrogen single bond. ये acidic hydrogen है because hydrogen is attached to electronegative oxygen. ये acidic hydrogen separate होता है. ये bond यहाँ पे shift होता है. यानी यहाँ पे double bond बनेगा. This carbon will be pentavalent. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards carbon. A carbon negatively charged in a nucleophilic end. So this carbon will attack here. An attack of nucleophile. Addition of nucleophile here. So formation of new bond between these two. This carbon will be pentavalent. Breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. So a acidic hydrogen यहाँ पे shift होगा and it is OH. So this is beta hydroxy ketone. So this is ketone condensation in acidic medium.